We've done a lot of work in the robotic space, so iRobot. I think was a really interesting kind of engagement for us to sort of help them kind of develop their product platform. I think another area that we've been working towards is kind of in the wearable space. So we're working locally with a company called Copen, who are sort of a component manufacturer, I would call them, and we've been helping them develop a kind of a wearable device for performance athletes. And I think the other area that I think is building on where we see things going, that we're becoming very interested in is just this whole idea of IoT, and more specifically the sort of industrial IoT. We see the need to sort of how data is being aggregated on a large scale being it's overlapping very much with what we do. As much as it is about kind of the efficiency of what data can bring, I think where we bring real value is understanding how people fit into that matrix and how that data can actually help bring kind of richer experiences.
We like complicated problems. I mean, like Richard's referring to some of these industrial things that we're doing, especially the connected industrial IoT. That's not the sexy stuff you hear about on the news, but it's so complicated and it's so interesting, and there's so many stakeholders to address and to design for, that designing those experiences to be powerful and valuable to companies and every player in the mix is particularly fascinating. We were doing one in the it's a combination project with iRobot and InTouch Health for a medical telepresence robot, so a 5-foot robot doctor that takes on the persona of the away doctor to flip the model of care. So the old model was doctors visit you, and then that all changed to you go to the doctor. Well, this allows through technology the ability for the doctor to come to you now from anywhere in the world. So designing that product and that user experience was a particularly interesting and complex problem that was fun to solve.